on medication. It's a slight delay. I done served hell, yeah. And it's grown behold, it been home and hopping. We don't share cups, them folks be bottle popping. Damn, all money come first, just like me when I'm fucking. He big and tough online, I know that nigga blow.
What's up, y'all? Thank you for clicking on the video. And it's officially fall now, so like the weather's getting cold, the trees is looking a little slim, so it's that time of year. I'll be giving you guys just a few tips and tricks to use while you're taking your pictures, your fall photos. So let's get to it. Alright y'all, so my first tip that I have for you guys is just take your pictures. Like, you can't really be scared or like nervous to just go out and take pictures. I'm by myself, there's nobody with me, and I'm on the side of the road. There's a tree, there's a few trees I went to get a photo of, so I'm gonna just do that. I know I'm on the side of the road, but who cares? Not to me. Alright y'all, so my next tip for you guys, I gotta stand like this, is basically just use everything in your environment to really form your photo. Like right now, I'm using a tree to hold my camera. I'm not going to show you guys because this is very ghetto, but I needed something to do. So make sure you use your environment. Next tip. Okay, so you guys' next tip is gonna be the rule of grounds. So basically there's 3 different ground setups here. This little stone thing will be your foreground, and then anything in this little middle area right here will be your midground. So if I, as your subject, stood right here, I would be in the midground, and then your background would be anything behind it, so all the trees and whatnot behind your subject will be your background. So those are your 3 grounds. Next tip. Alright, so your next tip is going to be your grid lines. So when you're trying to set up a shot multiple times, you want to be able to get it accurately. So using grid lines, there's just 2 vertical lines and then 2 horizontal lines that go across your screen, and that will basically just help you achieve that perfect shot that you always wanted to get. Alright, so The next tip is make sure you're always adjusting. So a lot of these shots that I took didn't come out how I wanted them to the first time. So I was always changing my either aperture, shutter speed, or ISO to try to get them like the shots as close to perfect as I could possibly do. And if you guys want me to cover more on ISO, aperture, and shutter speed, just let me know, and I'll do a full in-depth guide on how to really change your levels and make your pictures look as best as possible. This is actually very nice over here though. Park boundary. So another little add-on for the last tip about always adjusting. So I know it's gonna get kind of tempting as a photographer to just put your camera on the tripod and then just shoot from there, but just imagine how many more angles you could get if you were to take it off and like shoot from lower or higher. Your pictures could actually look way better. So always, like stay creative and just make up new stuff as you're shooting. Alright y'all, so I think that's all I have for you guys today. Just a few little tips and tricks for you guys to, use as you're doing your little photo shoots or whatnot. And it was fun. It was like a nice little nature walk. The weather's getting better out now. It's not 95 degrees. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And just tell me exactly what you guys want to see more of so I could get that out for you. With that being said, hope you enjoyed. Peace out. I don't like this. God was running, I'm feeling like bitch. Like, I don't like people with kids. I'm on his body like I was a sis. Came up on top like shit. They pull on my by standing on the wall. Get your back up on the wall. Tell me, how you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing